Exercise 410 is another bank reconciliation. And when I'm doing a bank reconciliation, I like to start by getting the general ledger balance and the bank statement balance. So I'm going to look at that and grab that first. And they tell us the general ledger of this business has a balance of $77,944. That's their beginning balance. Then there's a bunch of blah blah blah, and at the bottom it says these amounts are included in the balance of $6,042 reported by the bank. So that's that piece. So I've got those two. Now I'll go through and deal with the pieces one by one. So going back to the top of the problem, it tells me the cash receipts yet to deposit it into the checking account are $3,338. So that's deposits outstanding or in transit of $3,338. Then it says, in checks written by the Academy but not yet processed by the bank total $1,425. So that's checks outstanding of $1,425. And since they're checks, we have to subtract those from the bank balance. Then we go on and it tells us that the company's balance of cash, that's this number over here, our cash ledger, does not include a service fee of $35. So we have bank service fee of $35. We have to subtract that. It's a fee, we're paying it. And then it says interest earned on the checking account for $46 is also not shown. So interest is $46. So they're all the reconciling items. So we add up both sides and see if it balances. We hope that it does. This side comes to $7,955. And this side also comes to $7,955. Now, we have to handle these two transactions because they're, in addition to being reconciling items, they're actual transactions that have to be journalized. So we need to, for the interest revenue, so we have interest revenue and cash. So we'll start with the debit. Cash of $46 for interest earned, and interest revenue $46. That's a new transaction. We have to record that. And we also have the service fee that we had to pay. That's also a transaction. So that's a bank charge expense or a service fee expense. I'll call it a bank charge expense of $35, a debit, and it's a credit to cash for $35, reflecting that we paid a service charge of $35. There are no other items that we need to worry about. So that concludes exercise 410.